Cybernetic Shell, Duelist Crest, Axiom Arc. Trying to make me go Yumi or something. Or another Star Guardian. Don't have any of the items for it yet, though. Duelist. Do I take the Duelist or do I take the Axiom? I'm down for Duelist. I don't want to go Yumi. A level here. For a Duelist. Gargoyle the front. We're winging it right now. That lets me go 8 Duelists if I want this game. Eight Duelist is always fun. That's definitely strong. But we beat it. That's really good. I'll just grab the Vi. That's a good tier 2. Another Duelist. I think I will do that. Civilian 2, really good. That's 4 mana. That is a free Yas. I won't pick him up yet. Don't need him. Ooh, sending LeBlanc to the backline. Battle Mage. Honestly, in that scenario, you'd probably want to have her up front. But since she gets sent to the backline anyways, just give her that bonus. Just a little tip if you ever have Battle Mage and Hacker. Very specific setup, but something you don't think about. Nice, that's good. Don't need you. Just have Lulu right now because it's a tier 2 and good damage. 8 to level. I think I definitely want to keep the win streak. Might have been more worth to put him on than Vibe. I don't think so, just because of her pen this early. I can get him back. I need more. Nice. No units lost. Really good win. Sword if I can. Definitely want to change this up later. Kaisa, Belveth, really good with it. Jack's really good with it as well. Okay, I will take the 2 cost crit. Not a bad item either. Good tier 2. Let's see what everybody else got real quick. Second Wind. Rich get richer. Blue Battery. Knife's Edge. Decoys. Battle Mage. And Scoped Weapons. Okay. Another good win. We need one more for the 5 win streak. I saw that hit the econ. That's good. If how much to level? 16. I think I level. Sell. Pick up the Yas now. That's 4 duelist. That has to be better. Could have kept her, got rid of the Lulu. I'd say, but I think the Lulu's just good. It's magic damage I don't have. I mean, I have a little bit now because of Yas, but... And him. I think just the tier 2. She'll be the next one I get rid of, though. Try to get a Fiora in. Ooh. Somebody else going a little bit of duelist. Good knockup. We win this, which is really good. That's the 5 win streak. Pick those up, then out the pool a bit. Can't make econ, so why not? Somebody else is still at 100. The second wind. Good. That's our 10. So Fiora and Nyla, definitely good pickups if I can find them. Also looking for the Kaisa or Kaisa, Jax, or Belveth, whichever one we see first. We'll replace Silver 4. Armor, threat. Oh. Definitely get a Last Whisper in here. This back up. If we win, we'll be at our 20. If we lose, I'll just sell the Kale. Not a big deal. Wait to slap items though yet. Nice. We beat this guy, so he loses his win streak. Has the gold though. At 20, really good. What are we? Second augment. I think definitely Celestial Blessing, really good for duelists. That's the Fiora. Pick up. Up that now. We let Yasko in the back. Is Drop Sivir. Still doing them up. Senna. Give you the Last Whisper now. 28 to level. We gain anything off it. We need one more duelist. Nyla or Vayne. So, double free cast. Strong. Double. Oh, it's basically a triple. Who's that? For him? How is it? Insane. First loss, though, so not too worried. Keeping him. Definitely want to at least 2-star these before I level up. Roll just a tiny bit. Jax. Definitely think Jax is better with duelist for on this. Have that. Oh. Good win. Jax just did so much damage. It's insane. Take the sword. Be there. If the spatula stays, you know. So only health. Get that sunfire. I'll actually grab him. That's my 6th duelist. It's not a bad item on him. Okay, so 6th duelist. Definitely level. We only need Vayne and Nyla. And we can hit it. I need to be at least level 8. 8 people, obviously, but looking good. We don't need him much anymore now. And we won't be able to use him once we level. Just hold off. It puts us back at our 10. Vayne, who's doing the least amount of damage? Fiora. Plank. I think I'll take out the Gangplank for that strong. But I think that once I 2-start that, I think that'll be better. I think we do that. Hope. I can always just throw him up front. I don't know if I want him tanking or I want him to come around the side. Star's gonna be really good though. More damage. I think this, because that'll be recon, just more damage. But he is good for the front. I feel like Jax might be better. I do go Jax a lot. I mean, if he's strong, play him. With Nyla, though, we'll have more front line. Be able to move Yas back, have her front. Yep. 52 to level. Give him a Thieves' Glove. Needing it. Titans is good. What are you going to give me? I still love a Giant Slayer. That. Oh, you are damage. Are you worth having instead of a Jax for carrying? Everybody else do damage. Pick you up. I'm not gonna hit that. Keep that because it's one off of a tier 2. I got that. 52 to level. To level, and we still need to find the Nyla. Blanc, Art. That's not too bad. Definitely. Definitely have the XP. Or the XP, the HP. Hey, what's our last augment here? Ooh. Our effects are doubled, which means the damage is doubled. That one's really good. I think I definitely go that. Have the HP. No. I definitely think I just try to go 9 this game. Play both of them. Get the 8 duelist and play her. Starts looking too bad. Honestly, as of right now, definitely think it's worth. Hold on that item for Nyla. Yeah, but that's gonna be insane damage. Really good. Really need to 2-star them. We'll just sell that. Good. Frontline sucks. All 1-stars. Really good items on him. 48 to level. Hold off. Hold just a tiny bit. Okay. What about living? I know I need 80 to hit 9. Right now I'm looking at 128 gold is what I need. Nice. Still a great win. I know these wins are really just because more luck than me having that good of a team. I mean, damage is really good, but my front line abysmal, so won't be that good. So with like a giant slayer, that's taken. I get another crit, I'll take that too. I'll take it. Another thieves glove. I can probably Z's level. So that who gets this? Think and I mean Vayne will do more once she hits the 2-star, so Vayne can just have it. Do 3 rolls. Not good. Okay, we got our last items here. So for that, if I don't get it, I'll just slap a Titans on him. It'll be good. I expect to lose any of these. Especially when someone has damage like that. Strong. But we have the HP to play with. We already took damage, so we don't need to try to hoard the 100 HP. I play for the win, not for right now. There's that. That's huge. Definitely take that over that. Honestly. To level. Need to hit at least tier 2s of them. Okay. I mean, at that point, I should just throw you up front, Vayne. Brawler Jax carry. Super strong. Sure. Oh, yes. Less damage. Probably not like 70. Yeah, 71. Fine. Our last item here. Get to save more money. Find one more Janna as well. Tier 2 will be insane because that'll go to a 50% bonus damage. Now we're at 24. It's basically a tier 2 free. Twelve to level. I do definitely need to level here soon. Also need to roll a bit. Do want to hit 9 for everything if I can. Don't technically have to hit 9. Could get rid of the Jax. If I hit the 2 stars, they might be able to carry harder. It's the Giant Slayer though, so that's huge. Pink item. Like a Sunfire. I never put that on. Fortunate. So we level here. Definitely put Fiora back in. That. $80 to level. Our last duelist in. I think I get up to that gold. And I start rolling there. Fine with the Zoe Heart, which is good. Money he just got. He'll hurt, nice. Only a 1 unit loss. Super close. Okay. Me thinking though, since he's going Jax. Might not be able to hit it. Ooh, great items. So I need one more of that. Those are great items for Phelios. Ooh, that's like an auto difference. Still got the HP for now. Well, but 76 to level. And level next turn. if I can put him over there to sneak to the back. They're definitely dead. That's... Does she ult enough? What is he? 7-star Guardian. Double Explosion Mana Zane. That's crazy. Okay, so it's now or never. It's an Aphelios, but I don't want those items. I mean, if I get them, I'll take them. You know? This... on KO just hits multiple people. Yas, that's good. I can level. There we go. I'll wait. I'll see what he does this turn. I think I do want to swap into the Aphelios. Still doing top, but I think Aphelios is just going to be better. I don't see how he couldn't be. Grab those, send out the pool of the 2 cost. Beth. Now we're just rolling. Good to see that. Don't need that. Looking for one more Janna. One Aphelios. Should have swapped them. Put him there. I'm not fighting that person. That's going to be a hard Rammus to beat. He's walking to the back line now. Or not. He lives to get to the back. Vayne. No more. Close. Yeah, Jax, I'm sorry, you gotta go. You gotta go. This. Huge. I'm not gonna do anything leveled up. Both of those will be huge pickups, and then the final one... definitely her. Other... insane game, though. You'd be insane, but... he's just gonna be better. Where are people? Color Recon, Star Guardian. Too much. Yes. Edge of 8. You're gone. You're in. I want the Dusk Wave. That and that. Lock my shop. See what happens. One person that's gonna hurt, definitely. Okay, not that good of an angle. That one shot him, no. Can't do that too much damage, but all them together. He did. I do think that is better. Especially on a more prolonged fight, that's just the person that was crazy. He beat him, so now it's just the brawler. Definitely insane. Definitely insane in the membrane. See how this first fight goes. Watch the damage on him. If it's not good enough, definitely swap into the stun, because they're all grouped. That stun might just be crucial. I don't see how this damage can't be. You know, 7,000 damage, definitely staying as that. Beat him that time, nice. Get any of these 2 stars. Pick this up for now. Really huge. But those items might change it. That's interesting items. He got a janna. Not as good as mine, but he found one. It is more damage for him. It was super close. Now the stun one, I'm still thinking. Like, that 7k damage was so good, but that stun, still great damage, and it's CC. He wins this one. Okay, again. I'll try the stun. And normally they're about the same. Another item here. If I can get that janna, I'll take her. That's the best thing I can get, and I get it. That's insane, because that ups my damage from the 24% to 50, so doubles. Take the Rage Blade. So, okay, tank items. That, because again, grouped units, gonna stun. Let's see. Hoping it's still good. I did 7,000 with the last one, and that's before the double buff of damage. We got a Mord 2 now. That's insane, because I should my grouped up people. Huge stun. Huge ult by Mordekaiser, though, and that wins it. GG. He hit the legendaries. Didn't even see the Mord. Take a second place from that, though. Really great game. It's 30 LP. Puts me at 76. Should be able to get hopefully back into Plat 2 next game. But I want to thank y'all for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if I could have played better, built better, or if there is a comp you would like to see me go in my next rank game. Y'all have a good one.